Hi everyone, Carol here from Love Inspired Handmade Crafts, and today I am here to talk to you guys about pom pom making and how easy and fun it is to do this craft. Um, so thank you for joining me today. And as you can see right now, I am opening up this beautiful pink yarn that was purchased at Michael's stores, and it was on sale too. So they always have great prices on the yarn. So today the other items that you're going to need are a good pair of scissors and two toilet paper rolls. All right. And as you can see right now, I am going to put it between my fingers, and then I'm going to take a piece of yarn, hold it with my thumb, and then I'm going to start going around both rolls with the yarn, and it's going to be about 60 times. So I am going to fast forward a little bit just so that you guys don't have to watch the whole thing. It did take me a little bit longer. So as you can see in my video, the two circles that are made of cardboard as well, they're going to be, you're going to see how useful they're going to be as well. They are cut with a mason jar and a marker, and then I was able to cut out the circles. So now that I'm done wrapping the yarn, I'm going to tuck it in there so that it can stay together. Then I'm going to take my ruler because I want to measure a 12-inch piece of yarn that I'm going to need to tie the pom-pom together. Alright, so I'm going to take the rolls and take the yarn, and I'm going to go in between them on both sides. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a knot. But to make sure that the knot stays, I'm also going to do another little knot. And that helps it from becoming loose. So you know when you make a bow, if you do a double knot, it actually helps you and will not get loose. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the paper rolls out, and then I'm going to have the pom-poms right there. As you can see, now I'm going to take my knots and I'm going to make that really nice and tight. All right, and then you're going to hold that string together, and what you want to do here is take their good pair of scissors and you're going to cut through the loops. All right, and you want to make sure you get each and every single loop from both sides. And these scissors are actually from the dollar store, believe it or not. They turned out to be better scissors than anything I've had in my craft store. So again, now I'm on the other side. I flipped it over, and I'm going to make sure I remove all the loops with my good scissors. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these circles that I created from also cardboard, and you can see already it's starting to form. So in one of the circles I did cut a center, a little hole in the center so I can put through the string, and I'm going to flatten it on the other side. And then I'm going to take the nice scissors that I have, and see how great they are. They're cutting right through the yarn. Alright, and what you do is you just make sure you go all the way around cutting it. It's like you're giving your pom-pom a little haircut. And then once you're done trimming it, alright, you can fluff it out, and you can see your pom-pom. And any strings that are remaining, you can just cut them right off. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.